What's going on? Ride or Die is back with another video. This one's going to be a little bit different than just accessorizing and going through the Honda Navi with maintenance and stuff like that. This one is going to be, obviously you can tell I picked up a crashed Honda Navi from Copart Crash Toys. We have a little bit of a drive from the Minneapolis area all the way down to Kansas City, so I will be doing a little bit of video of possible road trip, pickup, and return, but most of the videos are going to be seeing what's wrong with it, getting it going, all that stuff like that. Be interesting to see how many miles are on it, even if it runs. It says in the disclosure that it's front end damage. The meter is hanging off the front of the headlight assembly. No keys are with it, so I'm kind of taking a risk, a chance, but it's not my first rodeo with working with Copart Crash Toys. I've bought various things off of there, a lot of motorcycles, flipped them, put them back together, all that. So I'm not too concerned on how it is being new and not having keys, but other than that, hopefully you guys stay tuned and watch for more videos.